What is good, everyone? This is Silver Warrior here to show you all how to easily roll your coins without the use of preformed rolls such as these. Now, of course, these make it very easy to simply stand the roll up, fill it with coins, and then have it so all you have to do is seal off this end and you're good. But for those of you who have actually found yourself in a predicament where all you have are flat rolls just like these, and you need to get your coins rolled at the bank, I'll make this quick. So in order to use these non-preformed rolls, what you're going to want to first do is kind of just establish the fact that it is a roll in the first place, because they do come really flat. I mean, you can see just how they are in this box. So you kind of want to just push the roll out, flatten it out the other way, so that way you kind of create this square shape. Now the roll is going to be a little bit easier to use. Then what you're going to want to do is, instead of trying to go and fill the roll off the top, now you can see I'm a little clumsy here, sorry the camera's shaky, but instead of trying to fill the roll like this, you'll see the roll is really tight, so the only way you're going to get the coin in there is by dropping it, and then you're going to have to make sure that it falls flat, and of course you can see it didn't as it rolled there. Instead of having to deal with any of that though, let's just establish ourselves a little base. By laying down about 5 coins just like this, what you can then do is just simply fit the roll over top of them by kind of hitting it from the side like this, and then filling the coins in, feeding them into the roll, and kind of, you're going to have to maybe push in pennies a little bit, but there you go. As long as you have that even level on the ground so you don't have a penny sticking out on either side, nowhere, you are good to go, and your roll is going to be pretty easy to load up from here. At this point, you've kind of established it almost to be as easy as a preformed roll. It's still not in that perfect shape, but if you want to save yourself a lot of money or even get them for free at the bank, these rolls are the way to go. In any case though, the hardest part, the most annoying part, is going to be actually loading the pennies into the roll. As you can see here, you're going to have to end up putting 50 in the roll, and one thing is, make sure you don't overfill it, because that is going to be something that ultimately leads to your downfall. But once you've gotten to a point where you have 50 pennies, you will be good to go, and I will skip some of the process because nothing really else important to say. As you are loading the roll though, you do kind of want to use your pinky finger to just occasionally check for any coins that are popping up, any holes in the roll, and you can kind of feel for that along here as well. If you come to a point where you're comfortable loading them quickly like I am, you're not usually going to have those types of issues arise, but a hole in your roll will really mess up the spacing, and again, it will mess up the next step, just as overfilling the roll would. So once you have reached the point where you have 50 coins loaded into your roll and your spacing is all proper, all you have to do then is just create your seals. Now, if you're on a desk like this, picking the roll up is extremely easy, but if you are like on the floor or just can't really slide it off and secure the bottom with your other hand, just pinch it tightly and the roll, it will stay all right. That coin's in quite the beautiful shape there, as you can see, but all you want to do then is take your roll, hold it about even, and just use your fingers to guide the coins to being just about centered within the roll. So as you can see here, I have about an equal amount of space on each side of the roll, although it's a little bit favored on that side. That using the camera actually helped me to see that. And still not quite perfect, but even if you're not perfectly centered, it's all right. You don't have to put too much time in or thought into that. Point is, as long as you have enough room on each side to create a seal, you're good to go. So then, to finish off the seal, you just want to seal down each side. Take it like this. Press in right here, press in right here, and now take your other side. And one thing I kind of let happen is I let the pennies be pushed down by pushing in this seal, which is something you want to avoid. It's going to make the seal a little bit uneven, but they still will hold just fine, but that is something you do want to avoid doing. But in any case, as you can see here, what you have is a sealed up shotgun roll, and of course very uneven on my end. Although if you wanted to create a roll for eBay where you wanted to have a little bit of this coin showing, if you wanted to do something like that with these rolls, this would be the way to do it, by actually biasing it like that, towards one side more. But in any case, even towards this side, no matter how hard I shake that, they're not coming out. So that is a good roll. It will hold up for you, and yeah, That's really all there needs to be said for this video. No need to drag it out for the 8-minute ad revenue. Peace.